Hello everyone! In Origami Online today, we're learning how to make a very simple paper bird. To start, you'll need a piece of square paper. Remember, you can always make a square out of a piece of A4 paper. To remember how to do that, check back to our first two Origami Online videos. Okay, let's get started. You'll want to place the color side down on your square paper. And then first, we'll fold from one corner across to the other. And make a nice crease. Then, we want to fold this top corner down over the crease. These will be the wings of your bird. Our next step is to open up these two flaps of paper and pull one up to fold so we have almost a white square here. Great. Now we're going to fold our origami in half. So we'll take the left side and fold it over onto the right. We are nearly there. Our next step is to take one wing and fold it back over the back of the bird. And then we'll flip our bird over and do the same thing to the other wing. Finally, in order to make the head, we'll take the top triangle and bend it inside like so. This is called a reverse fold, so that we have a little white beak. And there we have it, today's origami birds. Have fun, and as always, feel free to post a photo of your origami on your Class Dojo page so your teachers can share in your fun.